Do you really think that dude is just good looking just because? Like he's just willy-nilly like, I'm just a good looking dude. No effort whatsoever. Of course not. See, looking good, being good in anything in life takes effort. You have to put in work. You have to do the right things that sets you apart from everybody else. That's what makes you good looking. Today, I'm going to show you what those right things are. See, I want you to start your day like attractive guys do. I want you to do the right things every morning that sets you up to be that attractive guy every single day. Let's hop into it. Number one, a green smoothie. This is a great habit for those that hate vegetables. Look, am I the biggest fan of vegetables? Of course not. And I know for a fact I am not getting all my vitamins and minerals. But what you need to understand is that your body, it's a literal machine. If you want to have that nice skin, the good hair, you want to look good, you want to look energetic and confident, you got to give it the vitamins it needs. You need to be eating your vegetables. One of the best things you can do, start your day with a green smoothie. You can do this at home. It's going to be crazy affordable. And you can add other stuff to it like peanut butter and banana like I do. And now you have a smoothie that actually tastes good. And you're intaking your greens to make sure that you look your best throughout the entire day. And other avenues, you can take some sort of supplement. There are green smoothie supplements you can take where you just put a couple scoops and you drink it with your water and you're getting a whole day's worth of vitamins and minerals instantly. Number two, you need to read more. See, your mind is like any other muscle. The more you read, the more you're working it out. But what you're not understanding is that reading does two things. It opens up a world of opportunities. Reading shows you new avenues and new strategies that you could be implementing in your life from another person's perspective to better your life, whether that's economically or socially or through experiences. And then the second thing it does is it gives you a wealth of knowledge that makes you a more interesting person. See, say you don't have the money to travel and make all these experiences with friends and all this other stuff. What you do have is the money to be able to buy a book for $5, read it, and now gain all the experiences that somebody else lived through a book. Now, when you sit in conversation with the girl or any person, you're going to be able to start a conversation and keep a conversation interesting because of everything you know. And that's attractive. Number three, you gotta invest. See, being financially literate is probably the most attractive trait a man can have. Ask any girl you want. See, understanding your personal finances is probably the one thing you need to do every morning. And see, when it comes to finances, it could feel like a roller coaster and it seems more complex than it really is. But the reality is, you don't have to be the one doing all the work. There are decades of data showing that investing in a globally diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds is the best way to put your own savings at work. Now, that may sound complicated, but it's not. See, through our sponsor, Wealthfront, they make it easy, affordable, and accessible no matter what your knowledge of finance is. Here's a great example of a Wealthfront demo so you can see what their clients are experiencing. And it's easy to become one of their clients. You only need a few minutes to set up and $500 to open an account, and then Wealthfront does the rest. And then the annual management fee is only 0.25% of your assets. So let's say you have a $10,000 account that's being managed. Your first $5,000 is being managed for free because you're watching this video. So that means your monthly cost of management is only going to be about $1. And then once you set up your investment account, you can set it up and literally forget it. See, Wealthfront software that's designed by PhDs will manage that money for you. They'll employ tactics like rebalancing to keep you at your risk threshold and look for opportunities to lower your tax bill through services like tax loss harvesting. My guy, see, you don't have to do all this work. Wealthfront have software that does it all for you. If you guys want to check out Wealthfront and take control of your own finances, click the link down below or go to wealthfront.com. If you go through that link, like I said, the first $5,000 that you deposit into your account are going to be managed for free by Wealthfront. If you guys want to check that out, it'll be linked down below. Number four, you need to have a skin routine. Like I said, you're not just going to be attractive just because. You need to put in work. And one of the best things that is actually controllable by you is your skin, especially the skin on your face. See, this is what people see. When you're interacting with people, this is what they're going to see first. And if you have oily skin, dry skin, or suffer from acne, trust me, I've suffered from all, it really can kill your confidence and how you come across when you engage with people. And when that happens, you're deteriorating how good you could possibly look. So taking control of your skin, having a skin routine that you follow every single morning is going to make sure that your skin's looking on point, and every time you engage with people, you're going to have that confidence and you're going to come across as more attractive. Number 5, making your bed. Because think about it this way. When you bring a girl home, it's going to signify 2 things for her. 1, you actually have a bed to make, which means that you don't have just a mattress on the floor, which king moves. And 2, a clean room reflects on your own personal hygiene. Even more king moves. Not to mention that starting your day by completing a task sets you up to want to complete more tasks. This is done in the military for a reason. So once you start completing a task, it's like your mind gets into task completion mode and you want to do more and more and more. Starting your day with a simple task that you know is only going to take you 2 minutes will help you to make sure you want to do more throughout the day. Number 6, journaling. I want you to journal what your goals, what your ambitions are. You also want to make a list of what you want to accomplish for that day. See, on a personal level, it's a great way to stay organized and stay focused. And then on a girl level, when they see a guy that's that committed, it just shows that you're ambitious, that you're passionate. So whether you're writing about your career, your school, your hobbies, or athletics and sports, it just shows that you're committed and passionate about something. And that is incredibly attractive. And finally, number 7, I want you to develop a positive self-image every morning. See, it starts in the mornings. What you don't realize is that the mindset that you wake up with pretty much carries on with you the rest of the day. So if you wake up feeling like a bum or ugly or like a loser, I guarantee you the rest of the day, you're gonna feel that way. So I want you to see yourself being more successful across the board. Let's take women. Men that see themselves as successful with women tend to be more successful with women. And those men that aren't successful with women just see themselves as not successful with women. See, the way you see yourself really affects how you act in the real world. So in the mornings when you wake up, I want you to look at yourself in the mirror and give yourself a pep talk. If you are not yourself's best hype man, nobody else is going to do that for you. See, you are good looking. You are going to be successful with women. You are going to be successful in your career. And taking that energy throughout the day ensures you act in an attractive manner. My guy. That's it for me today, boys. Those are 7 attractive habits all of you can start implementing today to make sure you look good. That's it for me today. See you next time.